Hi my loves, it's Jay and I'm back with another video. This tutorial is gonna be so simple because I'm gonna teach you guys how to turn your pens into these adorable succulent pens. I've done them with flowers, and the reason why I did them was because people would steal my pens all the time at work. So I was like, how can I have cute pens without people taking them, right? So I, obviously this has been out for a while. People have them on Pinterest and all that stuff. But I was like, I'm gonna do it so that you won't even know that there's pens there. And I kid you not, none of my coworkers knew that they were pens. They all thought it was just like a decorative vase on the desk. So let me show you the one that I use. And let me let go of the camera. I'm gonna show you the ones that I used. So I actually had used these, but when you lower them like this, you can't even tell that they're pens here. So it would be funny because people would ask me, do you have a pen? I'll be like, sure. And they'll be like, what? Mind blown. So this is so cute. But the ones I'm gonna be making today are the succulent ones. You can do the flower ones the same exact way. It's the same way to make this is the same way to make the flowers. So I'm telling you, this is probably my favorite, most useful DIY. My husband is like walking like, my goodness. Honey, you're walking so hard. It's coming out in the video. And now there's an airplane passing. I can't wait. So yeah, this has got to be one of my favorite DIYs because it makes your office decor functional and cute, and it kind of like makes you want to be at work, if that's even possible. Also, I think that this would be awesome for school. If you're going back to school and you are allowed to use pens, I know some teachers are like, just pencils, but if you're allowed to use pens, this would be cute. Or even if you have like a planner and you just want to be like inspired, this is like super cute. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's get into the tutorial. So for this DIY, you need our succulents or fake flowers, pens of your choice. I like to use the Papermate ones, a glue gun, obviously glue sticks for your glue gun, different types of ribbon. I'm going to be using this burlap ribbon and this cork ribbon. I'm using two different types, and some scissors to cut your project. That's it. This is how easy this DIY is. Optional, a flower vase or a pot to store your pens once you finish it. You can even use a mug. I'm personally going to be using a mason jar. The mason jar is going to go perfectly with this aesthetic. So first thing you want to do is grab your succulent and your pen, and we're just going to remove the pen from the pen cap. So we're going to start by adding glue to our pen cap, and I'm going to be adding a lot. It's okay if you're messy with it because our ribbon is going to cover that. Then you're just going to go ahead and attach your succulent. If you have a stem, you should have already trimmed it off by now. Because the succulents are a lot more heavy than flowers, we're gonna be adding in a lot more coats of glue. If this were your flower, you'd probably only need just one coat, but I'm just gonna hold it here and press it until it is dry. Now I'm going in, adding my second coat. We're just gonna hold it on the opposite side now just so the succulent can attach to the pen cap. Once your succulent and your pen is semi-dry, you can try to put your pen cap as straight as possible and put it off to the side just so it can set. Obviously keep checking on it because you don't want it to fall over. Once your pen cap is fully dry, now we can go ahead and start applying our ribbon. So what we're going to do is glue it closer to the bottom of the pen cap, and then we're going to add another ribbon on top of the glue. Once you apply it to the bottom, then you can start turning your pen cap and applying more glue. Glue to close our ribbon, and then just pull it. Now I'm going to go in with my second ribbon, and this is going to be able to cover up the glue that's on the succulent and on the pen. And once you're done, all you need to do is add in your pen and you're ready to use it. How cool is that? Once you're done with all the succulent pens, now comes time for the fun part, how you're going to store it. All I do is I take beans. Once I feel like it's full enough, and I like using black beans because to me it looks like soil. I think it looks so cute because you can see a little bit of the cork. If you want, you can get a larger vase and fill it with more black beans just so you don't see the stems of your succulents. I also made these beautiful flower pens, and these I made both blue and black. And this is how I store them. I got this beautiful little vase from the dollar spot at Target. I filled it with beans, and then I just go ahead and stick them in my pot. Fred, we should have like a nickname for our little, I don't want to say fans. For our, what? For our YouTube family. You know what? Since we're like him and her homemade, come here, come here. Tell me if you like this idea. We should be the homies. Huh? What do you think? So I'll be like, hey homies! Does that sound good? What do y'all think? What should our fam be? Let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This DIY was, again, so easy. If you guys try it out, please share your pictures. I would love to see them. And if you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.